Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Michael at RBM Crypto. Today's walkthrough video will be showing you guys how to store your CRO Crypto.com tokens on your Trezor Hardware Wallet. Now before we get started, I've noticed looking through my analytics that I've seen a bunch of you guys are not subscribing, so I would appreciate it if you guys could just go down to the bottom there and click on that subscribe button, turn the bell notification on, that way you guys can see whenever I post a new video. It helps the channel out a lot and it helps me grow organically. That way we can monetize this and keep bringing you guys more and more videos in the days to come. All right, so now that that's over with, as you guys can see here, I've purchased some CRO, some Crypto.com tokens, and what I want to do is I want to withdraw these to my hardware wallet. So what I'm going to do now is go to withdraw. And before I can do this, what I'm going to need to do is go to the etherscan.io website. And as you guys can see here, this is where all the contracts are for the Ethereum network. And we're going to withdraw our CRO tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. So I'm going to type in crypto.com. And I'm going to go to the contract address. And what I'm going to do now is just copy this contract address here. And then I'm going to swing on over to my Trezor Desktop Suite. I'm going to go over to tokens. And as you guys can see here, these are all the different tokens I've already sent to my Trezor device in previous videos. And what I'm going to do now is go to this triple dot section here and then hit add token. Paste the contract address in, hit add token. And now as you guys can see, the CRO token pops up here in my Ethereum wallet area. So now all we need to do now is hit receive. And then we're going to go to our device, which we've already logged into. And we're going to hit show full address, confirm the address on our device. And then once you've confirmed the address, you can just hit copy address. And now once we have this receiving address, we can swing back over to the exchange, paste in our address, and do the withdrawal, which I'm going to do for you guys right now. One thing to keep in mind is we are withdrawing to the ERC20 network, the Ethereum network. We're not withdrawing to the opposite network here, the HECO network, as you guys can see. So always make sure that when you're withdrawing tokens, you always withdraw them to the right network. If you're unsure on which networks are supported, usually the exchanges will tell you, but you can always go to coinmarketcap.com, click on the token, and see which contracts are available. So for today, like I said, we're using the Ethereum network. We've clicked ERC20. I'm just going to withdraw all of my tokens. There's the fee for the transaction, which is, typical exchange fees being relatively high. And then I'm going to do is withdraw the tokens to my Trezor device. All right, and as you guys can see, I've now submitted my withdrawal, and now all we have to do is wait for the tokens to reach our Trezor wallet. What I'm going to do now is head back over to Trezor Desktop Suite and wait for my tokens to appear in my token section. Okay, and as everyone can see, my CRO, my Crypto.com tokens have now reached my wallet. Now, if I want to reverse this process and send my tokens back to an exchange or to a different wallet, all I need to do is go to send, paste in the address I want to send my CRO tokens to, and I just need to switch this to CRO. I can put as much or as many tokens as I want in this box, set my fees, and then review and send the transaction. And that's it. I've shown you how to take your CRO tokens that you've purchased on the exchange, withdraw them to your Trezor device, store them there offline safely, and I've also shown you how to send them if you want to send them back to the exchange or to another wallet. And that'll be it for today's video. Like I said earlier in the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks and take care.